In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a sticky header to any Shopify 2.0 theme. This is a quick customization inside Shopify, and it does not require any coding. If your theme supports sticky header settings, you can turn this on directly from the theme editor and choose how you want the header to behave while visitors scroll through your store. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, open Online Store and then select Themes. This is where you can manage the design and settings for your current storefront. Next, find your active theme and click Customize. This will open the Shopify theme editor, where you can preview your store and adjust different sections in real time. If you are using a Shopify 2.0 theme, this setting is often built right into the header options. Once the editor opens, look at the left sidebar and click on the header section. This will bring up the settings panel for your store header, including layout and behavior options. Now locate the sticky header drop-down menu. This is the setting that controls whether your header stays visible as someone scrolls down the page. Depending on your theme, you may see different behavior options here. Select the one that best fits your store. For example, some themes may keep the header visible at all times, while others may show it only after the user starts scrolling. Choose the option that gives the browsing experience you want. If you also want to make the header stand out a little more during scrolling, look for the Show Separator line checkbox. Turn this on to add a subtle line beneath the header. This can help visually separate the header from the rest of the page content, especially on cleaner or more minimal store designs. After you have selected your preferred sticky header behavior and enabled the separator line if needed, go to the top right corner and click Save. This will apply the changes to your live store so customers can see the updated header behavior right away. It is a good idea to preview the result before leaving the editor. Scroll through your store pages and make sure the header behaves the way you expect. If needed, you can return to the same header settings and adjust the option again. That covers everything you need to know.